वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज का चैप्टर है केमिकल बॉन्डिंग एंड मॉलिक्यूलर स्ट्रक्चर। ठीक है, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ वन और डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एलिमेंट। अंडर नॉर्मल कंडीशन नो अदर एलिमेंट एग्जिस्ट एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट एटम इन नेचर एक्सेप्ट नोबल गैस। ठीक है, नोबल गैस को छोड़ के कोई इंडिपेंडेंट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है। हाउएवर अ ग्रुप ऑफ एटम इज फाउंड टू एग्जिस्ट टुगेदर एज वन स्पीसीज हैविंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स प्रॉपर्टी। Such a group of atoms is called molecule. Obviously, there must be some force which hold these constituent atom together in a molecule. The attractive force which hold various constituent atom ions etc. together in different chemical species is called chemical bond. Since the formation of chemical compound take place as a result of the combination of various element in different way, it raises many questions. Why do atom combine? Why are only certain combination possible? Why do some atom combine which a certain other do not? ठीक है, मतलब अलग अलग क्वेश्चन है जो सब सॉल्व होंगे. Why do molecule process definite shape? To answer such question, different theory and concept has been put forward from time to time. These are causal Lewis approach, valence shell electron pair repulsion, valence bond theory, and MO theory. The evolution of various theory of valence and interpretation of nature of chemical bond have closely been related to the development and understanding of the structure of atom, the electronic configuration of element, and periodic table. Every system tend to be more stable and bonding is in nature's way, lowering energy of the system to attain stability. जैसे देखिए, पहला है कोजल लुईस अप्रोच टू केमिकल बॉन्डिंग. In order to explain the formation of chemical bond in terms of electron, a number of attempts were made, but it was only in 1960 where Kozal and Lewis succeeded independently in giving a satisfactory explanation. इन्होंने satisfactory explanation दिया था. They were the first to provide some logical explanation of valence which is based on the inertness of noble gas. Lewis pictured the atom in the term of positive charge kernel, the nucleus plus inner electron, and the outer shell could accumulate a maximum 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन. देखिए, इन्होंने कर्नल जो साइंटिस्ट थे लुइस, तो इन्होंने क्या किया, इन्होंने जो अंदर के जो इलेक्ट्रॉन उनको कर्नल बोला, जिसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और पॉजिटिव चार्ज न्यूक्लियस रहता है. ठीक है, और जो बाहर के जो सेल थे उनको इन्होंने वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन बोला, मतलब मैक्सिमम कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन दे सकता है, 8. He further assumed that these 8 electrons occupy the corner of the cube which surround the kernel. Kernel अंदर वाला. Thus, the single outer shell electron of sodium will occupy one corner of the cube, while in the case of a noble gas, all 8 corners will be occupied. These octet electrons represent a particularly stable electronic configuration. Lewis postulated that atoms achieve the stable octet when they are linked to the chemical bond. In the case of sodium and chlorine, this can happen by the transfer of electron from sodium to chlorine, thereby giving Na plus and C chlorine minus ion. In this case, other molecules like Cl2, H2, F2, etc. The bond is formed by sharing a pair of electrons between the atom. In the process, each atom attains a stable outer octet of electrons of Lewis symbol. In the formation of molecule, only the outer shell electron take place a chemical combination and they are known as valence electron. The inner shell electron are well protected and are generally not involved in the combination process. Gian Lewis, an American chemist, introduced simple notation to represent the valence electron in an atom. This notation is called Lewis symbol. For example, the Lewis symbol for this element of second period are under ये सारे, जैसे लिथियम के 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, बेरिलियम के पास 2, बोरॉन के 3, 4 ऐसे. सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ लुईस सिंबल. द नंबर ऑफ डॉट अराउंड द सिंबल represent the number of valence electron. The number of valence electron help to calculate common or group valence of the element. The group valence of the element is generally either equal to the number of dot in Lewis symbol or 8 minus the number of dot of valence. ठीक है. Causal in relation to the chemical bonding draw attention to the following fact. In the periodic table, the highly electronegative halogen and highly electropositive alkali metal are separated by noble gas. The formation of negative ion from halogen and positive ion from the alkali metal atom are associated in the gain and loss of the electron in respective atom. The negative and positive ion thus form attain a stable noble gas electronic configuration. The noble gas, with the exception of helium, which has a duplet of electron, has particularly stable outer shell configuration of 8 electron tail. The negative and positive ion are stabilized by electrostatic attraction. For example, the formation of NaCl from sodium and chlorine according to the above scheme. ये सोडियम है, ये बना, फिर क्लोरीन है, ये फिर ये बन गया, ठीक है। द बॉन्ड formed as a result of electrostatic attraction between positive and negative charge what term as the electrovalent bond. Electrovalent bond. The electrovalency is thus equal to the number of unit charge on the ion. Thus, calcium is assigned positive electrovalency of 2, while chlorine negative electrovalence of 1. Causal postulation provide the basis for the modern concept regarding ion formation by electron transfer and the formation of ionic crystalline compound. His views has proved to be great value in understanding and systemization of ionic compound. At the same time, he did recognize the fact that a large number of compounds did not fit into this concept. अब देखिए ऑक्टेट रूल क्या था, important rule है. Cousin and Lewis in 1916 developed an important theory chemical combination between atoms known as electronic theory of chemical bonding. According to this theory, atom can combine either by the transfer of valence electron from one atom to another, gaining, losing, or by sharing a valence electron in order to have an octet in their valence set. This is known as octet rule. इसमें देखिए कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड आएगा. कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड क्या होता है? लेगमार 1919 refer to the Lewis postulation by abandoning the idea of stationary cubical arrangement of the octet and by introducing the term covalent bond. The Lewis-Legmark theory can be understood by considering the formation of chlorine molecule Cl2. The Cl atom electronic configuration A is the electron short argon configuration. The formation of Cl2 molecule can be understood in the term of sharing a pair of electrons between the two chlorine atoms, each chlorine atom contributing one electron to the share. और ये देखिए क्लोरीन एटम का बॉन्ड बन गया. Rule number 10, the outer nearest noble gas, ठीक है. The dot represent electrons. Such structure are referred to as Lewis dot structure. The Lewis dot structure can be written from other molecule also in which the combining atom may be identical or different. The important condition being that each bond is formed as a result of sharing of electron pair between the atom. Each combining atom contribute at least one electron to the shared pair. The combining atom attain the outermost shell noble gas configuration as a result of sharing. Thus, the water and carbon tetrachloride molecule formation of covalent bond can be represented. देखिए ये हो गया. Thus, when two atoms share one electron pair, they are said to be joined by single covalent bond. In many compounds, we have multiple bonds between atoms. The formation of multiple bonds involves sharing of more than one electron pair between two atoms. If two atoms share two pair of electron, the covalent bond between them is called double bond. देखिए अगर एक 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 इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर कर रहा है सिंगल बॉन्ड, अगर दो दो इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर कर दे रहा है तो डबल बॉन्ड, वही बता रहा है. For example, in the carbon dioxide molecule, we have two double bond between the carbon and oxygen bond. Similarly, in ethene, the two carbon atom are joined by double bond. जैसे कि ये देखिए. When combining atoms share three electron pair in case of two nitrogen atom, triple bond इसमें फॉर्म होगा जाएगा जैसे इसमें फॉर्म हो रहा है. देखिए Lewis representation of simple molecule. The Lewis dot structure provide a picture of bonding in molecule ion in the term of shared electron pair rule. ठीक है. While such a picture may not explain the bonding and behavior of molecule completely, it does help in understanding the formation and property of the molecule to large extent. Writing a Lewis dot structure of molecule is therefore very careful. The Lewis dot structure can be written by adopting following steps. The total number of electrons required by writing the structure are obtained by adding a valence electron combining atom. For example, CH4 molecule there are 8 valence electron taken. For anion, each negative ion will mean addition of 1 electron. For cation, each positive charge will result in the subtraction of 1 electron. Number of valence, for example, the carbonate two negative charge indicate that there are two additional electrons that those are provided by the neutral atom. और NH for one positive charge indicate the loss of one electron from the group. Important है ये. Knowing the chemical symbol. The chemical symbol of the combining atom and having of skeletal structure of the compound known guessed internally, it is easy to distribute the total number of electrons as a bonding share pair between atom and proportional to total. देखिए गाइस, फॉर्मल चार्ज अगर हम बात करें तो फॉर्मल चार्ज ऑन एटम ऑफ लुईस स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है? टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इन फ्री एटम माइनस टोटल नंबर ऑफ नॉन बॉन्डिंग मतलब लोन पेयर और बटे हाफ ऑफ टोटल नंबर ऑफ शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. जैसे यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे एग्जांपल दिया है वो 3 का. ये फर्स्ट है, ये सेकंड वन है, ये थर्ड वन है. ठीक है, तो अगर फर्स्ट वन की हम बात करें तो इसमें देखिए पहला क्या था, देखिए लिखते जाइए. टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इन अ फ्री एटम. इसमें वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन कितना है फ्री एटम फर्स्ट वाली? तो देखिए गाइस, इसमें पहले वाले को अगर देखें तो देखिए वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्सीजन में 6 होते हैं. ठीक, और माइनस 2 क्या है लोन पेयर. ठीक है, और बाई हाफ माइनस हाफ. और ये क्या है कितने, ये बॉन्ड बॉन्ड कितने से कर रहा है? जैसे देखिए ये 4 हो गए, ये 2 हो गए, तो 4 2 6. ठीक, अब यही सेकंड वाले का देख लिया जाए. ऑक्सीजन पे 6 रहेंगे ही. ठीक, दूसरे वाले का दिख रहा है. और ये इस पे लोन पेयर कितने हैं? 2 तो 4, तो ये 4 हाफ बॉन्डेड कितने हैं? 4 से, यही 2 से तो बॉन्डेड है, तो ये हो गया. फिर तीसरे का देख लेंगे तो ये 2 से बॉन्डेड है, तो 2 6 रहते ही हैं और तीनों लोन पेयर बचे मतलब 6, तो इसका इतना है. यही होता है फॉर्मल चार्ज. तो एक बार पढ़ लेते हैं. Lewis dot structure in general do not represent the actual shape of the molecule. In case of polyatomic ion, the net charge of possessed by the ion as a whole and not by the particular atom. It is how somehow feasible is an formal charge on each atom. The formal charge of the atom in the polyatomic molecule or the ion may be defined as the difference between the number of valence electron of that atom, the isolated or free state of the number. ठीक, सब आपने देख लिया. अब पढ़ा जाए. We must understand the formal charge do not indicate the real charge separation within the molecule. Important point. Indicating the charge on the atom in the Lewis structure only help keep track of the valence electron in the molecule. Formal charge help in the selection of lower energy structure from number of possible Lewis structure of the given species. Generally, the lowest energy structure is the one with the smallest formal charge on the atom. The formal charge is a vector based on the pure covalent view of bonding in which the electron and share equally by the neighboring atom. ठीक है. लिमिटेशन ऑफ ऑक्टेट रूल. द ऑक्टेट रूल थ्रू यूजफुल यूनिवर्स ये तो वो है. ठीक है, लिमिटेशन देख लेते हैं. पहला क्या, इन इनकम्प्लीट ऑक्टेट ऑफ द सेंट्रल मेटल एटम. ठीक है, दूसरा ऑड इलेक्ट्रॉन जिसमें होता है, जैसे ये दोनों एग्जांपल हो गए. फिर एक्सपेंडेड ऑर्बिटल जिनके होते हैं जैसे सल्फर, ये सारे डी ऑर्बिटल जो ऐड कर लेते हैं उसका वो बात कर रहे हैं. तो ये सारे हो गए. अब आयोनिक बॉन्ड देख लेते हैं. Ionic or electrovalent bond. From causal Lewis treatment of formation of ionic bond, it follows that the formation of ionic bond will primarily depend upon the case of the formation of positive and negative ion for the respective neutral ion. The arrangement of positive and negative ion in solid, that is the lattice crystalline. ठीक है, the formation of positive ion in all ionization, removal of electron from the neutral atom, and that of the negative ion in all the addition of the electron from the neutral atom. ये देखिए आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी. ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी द एंथैल्पी चेंज in the gas atom, its ground state gain an electron. The electron pair process may be exothermic or endothermic. The ionization of other hand is also endothermic